begin with Titletown's turn to host the NFL Draft, most notably where all those football visitors will go to the bathroom.
Here's Local 5's Timothy Lateau.
It seems like a typical bathroom, but it's also on wheels.
I actually sold the plastic, went strictly into luxury restroom trailers and containers, and here I am today.
Here Greg Rodegut is, more than 2 decades into running his Maynard's Neat and Clean Portables business in Newton, realizing that the best money is found down the fancier drain.
Our trailers really set themselves apart from the plastic portables. They come fully stocked with flushing toilets to hand wash sinks.
Don't forget the air conditioning, heating, and stereo systems that come in each portable. And it seems that those planning events for the NFL Draft are buying into the upscale plumbing.
A lot of interest actually right around Lambeau, a lot of the party houses and stuff. So we are giving out a lot of estimates and stuff at this time, but yeah, hopefully be signing some contracts shortly.
Greg is used to supplying portables for big events, like when the PGA came to Whistling Straits. This time for the draft, he says he might order even more trailers if demand is high enough.
Kind of used to some of the chaos that goes on with that, but it's good, it's organized, and typically everybody's out there. There's plenty of business.
There's so much demand for draft week in Green Bay that other companies are calling in for bathroom backup.
I've been actually talking to other vendors that actually had contacted me too already about, any help, that we can help each other out to get through this.
So when draft goers gotta go, the toilet at the end of the line might actually be worth the wait. In Newton, Timothy Lateau, Local 5 News.
Thank you, Tim. Somehow they didn't have those at the last outdoor concert that I went to. It was a little bit different. Maynard's Neat and Clean Portables also provides amenities at construction sites. The biggest client they have is the Microsoft project in Racine.